The Bureau of Corrections is under the A. Department of Social Welfare and Development, B. Department of Interior and Local Government, C. Department of Justice, D. Department of Health. Answer C. Department of Justice. All persons in custody shall, before conviction, be entitled to bail as a matter of A. Right, B. Privilege, C. Preference, D. Choice. Answer A. Right. Considered the most persistent problem in almost all prison facilities, which contributes to the failure of reformation. A. Idleness, B. Deplorable condition, C. Riots, D. Escapes. Answer A. Idleness. If the scientific method is utilized in segregation, what is the method employed in the diagnosis and treatment of the convicts? A. Individualized method, B. Casework method, C. Scientific method, D. Individual therapy. Answer B. Casework method. It enables the prisoner to roam outside the prison for a minimum period per day to make workout arrangement for his release. A. Pre-release leave, B. Individual or group counseling, C. Leave for work, D. Granting greater freedom. Answer A. Pre-release leave. It is one of the forerunners of modern correctional systems wherein they confine the prisoners in single cells at night but allow them to work in congregate shops during the day. A. Auburn system, B. Pennsylvania system, C. Elmira Reformatory, D. All of the foregoing. Answer A. Auburn system. It refers to anything that is against or contrary to the rules and regulations of a prison or jail facility. A. Jewelry, B. Deadly weapons, C. Dangerous drugs, D. Contrabands. Answer D. Contrabands. Who among the Italian advocates of the positivist theory wrote the book Theory of the Imputability and Denial of the Free Will? A. Ferri, B. Garofalo, C. Lombroso, D. Beccaria. Answer A. Ferri. This theory emphasizes that punishment has a redemptive purpose. A. Judean Christian theory, B. Classical theory, C. Neoclassical school of thought, D. Positivist school of thought. Answer A. Judean Christian theory. It is a primitive justification of punishment in the sense that it is in the form of personal vengeance or putting the law into one's own hands. A. Retribution, B. Deterrence, C. Expiation, D. Reformation. Answer A. Retribution.